Upgrading your sound system to the Bose sound system is actually really easy. I didn't know this. All you need is to get these two speaker grills here and clip them into place, and essentially you have a factory fit Bose stereo in your car, which looks really cool and gives you some bragging rights, like then maybe your stereo is on par with Bose system fitted into like Nissan Qashqais and such, those really premium SUVs. They are still available new directly from the factory, and they are also not too expensive, so I didn't really see a reason not to upgrade to this Bose system. As we can see here, I have already upgraded my speakers earlier to some Servin Vegas that are much better than the factory Bose, but I just wanted to have this Bose logo in there because Servin Vega won't give you any kind of emblem for those bragging rights. So yeah, it's just a simple optional extra here to make your car seem to have been outfitted with a lot more options, even though my car was really on almost base spec. But after some upgrades with these cheap parts that are still available, my car actually seems to be fairly well equipped, and when passengers see that Bose sign, they know that I have taste and money. So maybe you should do this yourself before these speaker grills disappear from the market. And the installation is fairly dummy proof. Maybe you will break off some of those tabs, but that's not really an issue as long as it's not rattling in there.